Okay. Today we play Path of Exile, which means we are gonna have a great day. A lot of things have changed, and oh boy, am I excited to show you. So yesterday, when we ended our stream, or at the very end of our stream, we crafted this beauty of a weapon, a beauty, and we did upgrade our damage, and our damage yesterday went from 432 to 751 when we equipped this weapon. However, this night GGG has done some updates, and what they it was a number of different things, but one of the things that they did, they increased the attack speed for the skill that I'm using, Lightning Spear. So the damage got updated even better this night. So let's take a look at what we are at right now. So when we ended yesterday, we had 751. If I look at the DPS now, boom! Oh, no, wait, that was the wrong one. Boom! Okay, look at that. 997. Oh my god. The damage is through the roof right now. So, and after I crafted this weapon, I didn't actually kill any monsters. So the last time that we actually touched another monster, we had 432 damage, and now we have 997. So we have more than a lot more than doubled our damage since we last touched a monster. So oh boy, am I excited to stop yapping and hit some goddamn monsters. Okay, let the smacking commence. Boom. Okay, let's take a look at our damage now. Ay. Look at the attack speed, guys. Look at the attack speed. What's happening? Ay. Now I am truly a machine gun. Boom, level 32. Oh yes, we get this one now. Ay. We get this one. This is gonna be huge. Okay, we go from 990 or 990 to boom, 1178. Boom. Okay, we are dealing some serious damage right now. I mean, I feel like I'm getting in 2 attacks before he is attacking now, and that is so huge. I don't get stuck in attack animation the same way I did before. It's such a huge difference. See how much more I'm able to move. It's so nice. Oh, boom! Okay, wait. Is it more? Oh no, is it more? What's happening? Is it more? Okay, I'm not sure. Are we done? Okay, smack him. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh my god. The changes are... that is exactly what we needed. I said this in Act 1, especially at the last boss of Act 1. The attack speed is just way too slow. It's impossible to attack and then dodge because you are constantly stuck in these attack animations. Now, when they buff the attack speed of the spears and especially Lightning Spear, the game is about to get smacked. Boom. So we are at the Act 3. Nice. Nice. Let's see what our damage looks like here. Damage is still... Guys, I like the music in this town. It's like pan flute or something. I like that. Listen to this. This is very nice. I think we buy this, right? A lot of evasion. I need evasion. Let's get this one. Boom. Let's get Sniper's Mark. Boom. Look at my damage. Okay, yeah. He's smacked. Wait. Are you telling me that my aura only works for one hit? Or my mark? Hey, this is easy! Silver Fist! Get smacked! Boom! 1184 DPS to... boom! 1219. Okay, maybe that wasn't the biggest. I thought that would be a little bit bigger. Let's see. Let's try the Thunder Sleep. Boom. Thunder Sleep. Hey. Okay, look at this. Let's take a life tap. Boom. I mean, I was having a good time before, but today after the patch dropped, I'm having an even better time, but I like this game so much. It's so fun going on this new adventure of a game that you haven't played before, and you enjoy it. That is Yeah, let's get this one, Elemental Ailment Threshold. Boom. Oh, that was a Regal Orb, not a Oh, nice. Oh, Orb of Alchemy. Oh, I didn't even know it existed. What? Hey, yeah. With 4. Oh, wait, so it can't roll 6? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. You can make it work. Oh, we got a unique. Ay. Let's take a look at this. One Divine Orb. Accuracy ratings. Whoa! That's for me, guys. Accuracy rating is doubled. Okay, Delwyn, let's go. Wow, these monsters are beautiful. Cyclustian, I'm gonna kill you right now. Get smacked. Boom. Okay, first try, guys. For real, first try. Nice. Hey, we got a... Yeah. Let's see here. We got a duel. Boom. Damage... but we can augment this one. Boom. Oh, Gem Cutter's Prism. I didn't know that existed either. Ah, fired... Oh... Okay, so the text is too long. Aha, additional effects for quality. Okay, 2 more bolts. Aha, I see. Okay, Root Dredge. Get smacked. Boom. He's lightning resistant. That's kinda unfortunate. Got them double spirit and he's lightning resistant. Come on now, let's end this. Yes. Maybe if you do something, Delvin. There we go. I'm gonna get so much gold. Look at this. Whoa! 2 Exalted and Regal Shard. Ay. Okay, here we go. I am getting rich for real. Bye. Whoa, Regal Orb. I mean, got them. What? Sets a skilled... Ooh! Damn! Okay, we can upgrade. Nice. Okay. Whatever. We go for lightning penetration for now. Boom. Bam. I don't even know how to do this. Lightning spear. Boom. Okay. And boom. Okay. Nice. Huh? Oh, wait, what? Oh, a spirit gem. Nice. Okay. Wow. Combat frenzy, here we go. Gain a frenzy charge when you freeze, electrocute, or pin an enemy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's take this one. Easy. Hey, look at this. Ay, ay, ay. We have an upgrade. Lot of evasion, a lot of life. Here we go. Level 39. And we go to the accuracy wheel. Nice. Let's see the damage difference. This is probably not going to be too much, but let's take a look. 1182. Boom. No difference. Yikes. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't like Sniper Smoke anyhow. I don't like it because it still only lasts for one hit. And I have so high attack speed now, it's like if I stop attacking and instead use my Sniper Smoke, I think you know, overall I will lose DPS. And definitely quality of life when it comes to playstyle. Hey! Psychoatl. I mean, imagine if I was a melee character, guys. Like, how easy is this game where you're not melee? Look at this. Psychoatl get backed. Boom. Oh, we got oh, but that's a unique. Oh, that's a cool looking unique also. Let's see what that is. Boom. Widow Hail. Wow. Oh, wow, look at the roads, guys. Did I get something really cool here or what? Wow. We go from 1188 to boom. 1260. Oh, that's a nice upgrade. Boom. 1326. Boom. 1394. Nice. Okay. Very nice. Here we go. Gorgormog. You are gonna get smacked. She's riding a broom. Okay, it's not hard, easy to hit her when she's doing this. Okay, can you stand still? Come on. There we go. There we go. Easy first attempt. Boom, get smacked, goddamn witch. Yes, the smacking is happening. I am smacking bosses on the first try now. Or first attempt. You know why? It's because I have higher attack speed from the buffs, so I can dodge. I'm not stuck in these goddamn attack animations all the time. That is why. Gain stages every... Ah, yeah, okay. Evasion. Yeah. Let's acquire this. Boom. Ooh, unique. Okay, let's see what we get here. Boom. Okay, he was super easy. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I thought it was 10 rooms. Did I win? Try complete. Hey, nice. Oh, and I also got level up. Let's see here. We go for the big one. Let's see how much this changes. Now it says we have 51.8 crit chance. Let's see here. 14, 16, 51. Boom. Okay, nothing happened. But we go for this one just because it's easy. Boom. Okay, let's grab a point here. We go for the blind, yes. So we go boom. What is he doing? Oh, he wants the lava to pour out. Yikes. We need to stop him. Oh, another lever. Nice. Okay. Mektul. You're gonna get smacked. Yes, I have done the Searing Exarch bolts. This is nothing for me. Look at how easy that is. Ay. Look at these dance moves. Oh, wait. Oh, no, this is stop. This is the end. Oh, no. Oh, no. What's gonna happen when the lava comes to the end? Yikes. Okay, I need to kill him now. Oh, come on, please. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oof. First attempt. Boom. Oh, we maybe get the new buckler or shield. That's very nice. What do you mean close, guys? What are you talking about? Oh, super easy. Hey, look at this. Oh, whoa. What happens here? 40 waves. I don't... Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay. I mean, it's a unique, but it's corrupted. Yikes. Okay, let's see what we got. Boom. Ooh, 1 to 49 lightning damage to attacks. Ay. 1471. Okay, that's a lot of DPS. That's like 30% more. Okay, we use this. I don't care what we lose. We actually gain a little bit of movement speed, but yeah. Okay. The stream is over for today. And oh boy, has it been a great day. I had fun before when I played the other days, but today, when we got our new weapon, when our skills got buffed with more attack speed, which is of course very nice. It makes the game more responsive, more rapid to play. I have had the best day of PoE to up to this date. Yeah, it has been super fun because we have actually smacked today. I am talking a lot about smacking, but the smacking has not really happened until today, and it feels great playing this character. I'm so happy. We are, I think, approaching Act 3, the end of Act 3, but it's too late for me and it's time for me to go to bed. So I thank you all for tuning in, and bye bye.